Today we will discuss about citizenship. Who is citizen? Citizen means Constitution of India provides single citizenship. Our Constitution provides sing, single citizenship, and all the person residing different parts of the country enjoys Indian citizenship. Article 5. All the persons residing different parts of the country enjoy Indian citizenship according to the Article 5 of Indian Constitution. There is no separate citizenship of states. States does not have different citizenship. According to the Constitution, the following three categories of persons entitled to citizenship. Person domiciled in India refused who migrated to India from Pakistan. Refused to migrate India from Pakistan. Indians living in other countries. According to the Constitution, the following three categories of persons are entitled to citizenship: domiciled in India, refugees who migrated to India from Pakistan, Indians living in other countries. Domiciled persons include those the permanent homes in India, person born in India, person either whose parents was born in Indian territory, the persons ordinarily residing in India for at least 5 years before commencement of Constitution, provided they have not voluntarily acquired the citizenship from the foreign country. Acquisition of termination of citizenship. Acquisition of Indian citizenship have been laid on Citizenship Act of 1955. A person can acquire citizenship of India in 5 years. Person can acquire citizenship of India by 5 years. Citizenship by birth. A person born in India on or after the January 1950 treated as citizens of India by birth. Treated as by birth. Citizenship by descendant. అంటే వారసత్వం. Descendant is a person who is residing outside the India after 26 January 1958, after the Constitution came into existence, treated as 26 January. His father was citizen of India at the time of birth. Father is in a descendant. Citizenship of registration. The following categories of person can be registered as citizens of India on application and prescribed authority. Citizens by registration. Person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in India for 5 years before filing application for registration. A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in the country. Women who are married to citizens of India. Minor children, person who are citizens of India. Persons of full age and capacity citizens of Commonwealth countries of Republic Ireland. Citizenship. A person can acquire citizenship of India through naturalization. Belongs to country where the citizens of India are allowed to become subjects of citizens of that country by naturalization. By renunciation of citizenship of country intimates the renunciation of government of act. It has been residing in India served government for 12 months before the date of making application of naturalization. Citizenship by natural. These are different citizenship. Person who can acquire citizenship of India through naturalization belongs to the country where the citizens of India are allowed to become subjects citizens of country by naturalization. Renounce the citizenship of country